a hadith underscore Dua. وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ رَبِّ اجْعَلْ هَذَا بَلَدًا آمِنًا وَارْزُقْ أَهْلَهُ مِنَ الثَّمَرَاتِ. Remember the time when the Prophet Abraham, may peace be upon him, called out to his Lord saying, "O my Lord, make this town or a safe place, secure this town, and grant its inhabitants with lots of produce, different types of fruit and vegetable and so on." Look at Makkah today. He was speaking about Makkah. It was barren. Nothing grew there. It didn't even have water at one stage prior to this. And Allah caused the gushing spring of Zamzam to flow. Up to this day it is flowing, and Allah caused all fruits and vegetables from across the globe to come there. So never lose hope. When you call out to Allah, if you don't see the fruit of it immediately, you